morning, everybody. Welcome to the last day of September. Today is September 30th, 2024. And as you can see, we're still in the same balance area, the same balance range that I've been talking about right here. And when we're in balance, what there is to do is fade the edges. So attempts to break up out of this range are likely going to come back to the point of control, which is now sitting at 57.78-ish. And you can see that we attempted to break on Thursday, we attempted on Friday, we didn't get any follow through, and both days we came back to the point of control. And we're just sitting right here. When you're sitting right here in the middle of this, an area where so much volume, it's not a good spot to initiate trade. So we want to wait to see if we attempt to break through the low side of this area. Like I said the other day, if we fail to break above, we're likely going to come back to this area. So I'm expecting today a move towards this area and then look for a reversal back into the point of control. But if sellers start showing up in these levels, I'm going to look for a short down to 5,700, which is where the 90-day point of control is. So but that's basically what I'm looking for today. Last day of the month, usually we can have some end of month flows, so which could make for interesting price action. So that's pretty much it. Right in the middle is going to be choppy. It's going to be like, it could go either way. I like better chances of an attempt to break the highs to come back, or an attempt to break the lows and come back to the point of control. So not really much to say about that. And the same scenario for NQ. NQ, the point of control is a little lower, is at 20,080. So I'm looking for that move that's still pending, because we couldn't break above this range, and looking for here. If we come back, then support around this area between 840 and 920. And then if we break that, then I'll look for a short into the 685 area. If NQ gets going and we're starting to move above the previous week's high, then the target is up here at 20,860. Crude oil is also in, this is the third day balancing here. It filled the gap during the overnight session, the RTH gap, and that's exactly where the 20-day moving average is, and that low volume node. And then we are coming back down. We came back to the 20-day point of control. So it's kind of like the same scenario. We're in this range. So shorts at the 69.20 area, back to the point of control, and I'm looking for support at the 66.60 area, and back to this area that's gonna keep being a magnet for the time being. Gold finally started pulling back, and remember on Friday I marked this area. I don't know if it was on Friday that I marked it, but I marked it and I said if we break this area, if we lose this area, we're likely going to come back to the 26.53 level. We haven't gotten there yet, but if this holds, then I'll look for that area, and then a revisit of this lows at 26, the 26.30 area. If we're able to get back above this green zone that I marked, which is 26.68, the target becomes back above here at the 20-day point of control at 26.86. So watch this area, see if it was support before, see if it becomes resistance, and if it does, then look for a move down here. Today we also have Chicago PMI at 9:45, and we have some bill auctions at 11:30, and Powell speaking at 1 p.m. So end of month and Powell speaking at the end of the month could give us some volatility in the afternoon session, so keep an eye on that. Also, tomorrow is PMI, manufacturing, and JOLTS, job opening, and we have a few more things throughout the week, so keep an eye on the news. Also, the Middle East, there's some stuff going on there, so just keep your eyes open and see, keep an eye on the news. Okay, that's about it for today. So the first thing that I'm gonna be looking for is how we treat yesterday's low. If we start trading above yesterday's low and inside value, then I'm gonna be looking for a move to retest the overnight highs, the point of control first, and then if we get above the point of control, then the overnight high. But staying below the yesterday's lows, I'm going to be looking for an attempt to take the low of the range and the previous week's low, and see if we can catch a reversal later on back to the 57.78 area. All right, that's about it.